Assalamu alaikum guys, good evening. My name is Sajid Munir and I'm here to let you know to share something about SkillMax Training Solutions. This is my training institute. I am co-founder of this training center. Well, SkillMax Training Solution, it is located in Lahore, where we are offering advanced and comprehensive professional trainings in the area of power and automation field. Classes are conducted in face-to-face and online and hands-on experience based. So as to ensure we are ensuring maximum learning and enhance expertise in product competency, engineering and project executions. SkillMax Training Solution, it is established in 2010. A lot sessions we are completed successfully. Our students are serving at different national and international level with high-end technical and professional expertise. So then there is my introduction. As you know, my name is Sajid Munir. I am co-founder of this training consultant. I am co-founder and training consultant of SkillMax Training Solutions. So I've done masters in electrical engineering and rich experience in industry, commercial, power and grid sector at national and international levels. So I have offered different training programs through my contract at PITAC, TUSDEC, PCSIR, and even in Pakistan, different private groups and companies, Qatar and Kuwait. So the trainings which we have already offered and right now we are offering, this is the list. First of all, I started my trainings, expertise with the AutoCAD Electrical, that is very famous software, and I recently offered this training course at my YouTube and free of cost. So you can take a benefit and you can save your time and a lot of money. So you just need to subscribe my channel and you will receive wonderful videos there. So then there is AutoCAD Electrical Advanced, that is little bit fast training course if you're comparing with the regular AutoCAD Electrical course. Then electrical consultancy design course we are offering switchgear design and its application and Azure audits implementation, then switchgear testing and commissioning. Then finally this is ETAP power system analysis. That is very important, and this is highly recommended for the power engineers. Then there is PLC and HMI, DCS SCADA integration, then there is substation operation maintenance. So these are the following courses which right now I am offering. So then there is duration, that is also always flexible to attend, and weekend, weekly, evening classes are available which we can plan. The fees is very competitive and discount is there for the groups and for the females. The venue, that is I already offered and offering Lahore, Karachi and Rawalpindi. And there is my contact detail, SkillMax Training Solution at gmail.com. My cell number, WhatsApp number is there. My Facebook page is there. My YouTube channel is there. So here I can show to you. This is my SkillMax Training Solutions YouTube channel. So you can see a lot of videos there. So then this is my Facebook SkillMax Training Solution page. So you can see the latest training programs and the session which I have already finished. Like this was the training introductory for the energy audits implementation. This was some group snaps, the session which already we have done and finished. And recently, let me show to you. Because right now the corona is there and everyone is not allowed to go outside, so we are introduced to an online course through PITAC, that is Government of Pakistan Technical Training Center. So right now 50% discounts we are giving, and the course right now I am offering, that is ETAP. This is I am offering only 12,500 rupees only. These are the dates and the areas that we will cover during this training session. For example, high voltage, low voltage design, power system analysis, transformer, gensets, the load flow. So you can read all the details. Then the solar system design, that this course I am offering. This is the course fees and the duration, that is same. Then there is electrical consultancy. So electrical consultancy, actually this is ideal course the engineers who have already experienced and who are seeking their career as a consultant, and they are willing to work in the independent way. So we will cover electrical safety standard, transformers, generator sizing, their comparison, cable set sizing, cable tray sizing, lighting and LED lumens calculations, and earthing system, lightning arrestor system, motor types, DOL, ASD, soft starter, VFD, and I will cover the voltage drop, short circuit calculations, the service level, asset management, energy management. So that is very comprehensive training course. So then there is who should attend. This is ideal for the young experienced engineers, professionals, manager, protection, substation engineers. So guys, this was the introductory detail for the SkillMac training solutions. So keep watching my channel. So whatever the video I will upload, you can receive through my channel, and you just need to subscribe my channel. So take care of yourself. So we will meet you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.